Writing drum notation in Crescendo. To create a new drum kit score, select New Blank Drum Kit Score from the New Blank dropdown on the toolbar. To add percussion to an existing score, click the Part Setup button on the toolbar. Then, add a percussion stave or part. To place notes, choose a note tool, click on the stave, and cycle through mapped instruments by holding Shift and scrolling. Continue watching for more details on drum notation in Crescendo. There are a few ways to start a blank percussion score. Click New Blank on the Score toolbar and select New Blank Drum Kit Score. Select New Blank Drum Kit Score from the File menu or use the shortcut Ctrl+D. You can also use the New Score wizard. Click New on the toolbar, pick a blank or solo template, and choose Drum Kits. To add percussion to an existing score, open the Parts and Staves dialog by clicking the Parts Setup button on the toolbar or use the shortcut Alt-P. In the dialog, you can either add a percussion stave to an existing part or create a new percussion part. Simply click the percussion button under New Stave or the percussion button under New Part. Percussion staves use an instrument map, which tells Crescendo which instruments to use in the score and for playback. Click the Drum Kit Map button to view the selected drum kit map. Each instrument is indicated by its vertical position on the stave and by the note head shape. Crescendo supports 9 note head shapes: normal, cross, diamond, triangle up, triangle down, plus, circled, slashed forward, and slashed backward. This means that up to 9 different instruments can be mapped to the same vertical position on a stave. If a position doesn't have an instrument mapping, you won't be able to place a note there. Crescendo provides a default mapping, but you can customize it anytime in the Edit Percussion Instruments dialog. Adding percussion notes is simple. Select a note tool and click a position on the stave to choose an instrument. If more than one instrument is mapped to that position, use the radial menu to select the instrument or hold Shift while scrolling the mouse wheel to cycle through the available shapes. If you want to change the instrument altogether, just delete the note and place it in a new position. For more Crescendo tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.